Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. On this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step instruction on how to troubleshoot Windows installer issues. Now, it is possible that you're trying to install a software on a Windows machine, or maybe you're trying to uninstall a software, or maybe you're trying to update a software. You might get the following error message. You might get an error message saying that Windows installer service could not be accessed, or you might get an error saying that Windows installer service could not be started, or you might get an error saying that could not start the Windows installer service on local computer, or you might get an error message saying that access is denied. Okay, so these are the couple of error message which you can troubleshoot using this step-by-step instruction. Now, before you proceed, before you start troubleshooting, there's one step which you will have to check. Okay, without that you will not be able to proceed. Okay, the first thing is you will have to check if you're logged in as an administrator. Let's see how to check if you're logged in as an administrator. Now, if you're using a Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, or maybe Windows 10, once you're on the desktop, you will have to click on the Start button. It could be at the bottom left corner, or it could be at the bottom right corner. Okay. Once you click on the Start button, click on the Search. In the search window, you will have to type timedate.cpl. Okay. There's another way to do it. Um, what you will have to do is you will have to press Windows and letter R on your keyboard, which will open up the run command. In the run command, you will have to type timedate.cpl. So once you click on OK or hit enter, it will open up date and time window. The first step you will have to do is you will have to click on change date and time. Remember, you're not changing any date and time on your computer. You're checking if you're logged in as an administrator or not. So once you click on change date and time, it will open up user account control window. Okay, so once you click on continue, if your computer does not prompt you for a password, you're already logged in as an administrator. You don't have to do anything. You can proceed with the troubleshooting. Okay, so in order to close this window, in order to close that dialog box, you will have to cancel 2 times to close date and time dialog box, and you're ready to fix the Windows installer issue. Let's say you're not logged in as an administrator. What you will have to do is you will have to log off from the current user and log in as an administrator. If you're not an administrator of this computer, you will have to contact your local administrator who can help you to log in as an administrator account so that you can go ahead and troubleshoot the Windows installer issue. So far we have checked if we have logged in as an administrator or not. Okay, so the next thing you will have to do is we'll have to identify if the Windows installer itself is corrupt or not. So it is highly possible that if your Windows installer is corrupted, it will not let you to install any software, or if it will not let you to uninstall any software on your computer. So let's see what are the next steps we need to check to proceed with the troubleshooting. Okay, so once you're on the desktop, press Windows and R key on your keyboard, which will open up the run command. In the run command, you will have to type msiexec. I repeat, it is msiexec. Okay. If your Windows installer engine is not corrupted, you will see this window. You will see a Windows installer pop-up window, which will show you the build or maybe a version of Windows installer which is installed on the computer. If your Windows installer is corrupted, then you will have to go ahead and fix the Windows installer first and follow the next step. Okay, let's say your Windows installer engine is not working. Let's say it is disabled. You might not get this pop-up. So let's see what's the next step to fix the Windows installer issue. So come back to your desktop, press Windows key and letter R on your keyboard and type services.msc. Okay, and click on OK or hit enter, which will open up the services window on your screen. Scroll down a little bit and look for Windows Installer Service. So it's right here. You will have to do a right click on it and click on Properties. So when you have Windows installer properties, local computer window on your screen, make sure your startup type is always a manual and click on Start. Click on Apply and OK. Okay, so this will enable the Windows installer services on your computer, which will let you to uninstall, reinstall, or maybe install an update for the program. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like and also subscribe my channel. And please spread the word, share this video.